Canceling your Musicbed subscription is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to avoid any confusion or unexpected charges. Whether you're taking a break, have completed your project, or are switching to another service, this guide will walk you through the cancellation process in detail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to manage your subscription and what to expect after canceling. The first step is to log into your Musicbed account. Visit musicbed.com and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your registered email and password to access your account dashboard. This dashboard is the central hub for managing all aspects of your Musicbed account, including subscriptions and billing. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the password recovery link to regain access to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings menu. You'll find this by clicking on your profile icon, located in the top right corner of the homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This section allows you to manage your personal information, payment methods, and subscription details. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area as it contains all the tools you need to make changes to your account. To cancel, locate the Cancel Subscription button within the Subscription Details tab. When you click this button, Musicbed will likely prompt you to confirm your cancellation. They may also ask for a brief explanation or feedback about why you're canceling. Providing feedback is optional but can help Musicbed improve its service. Once you confirm, your subscription will be marked as canceled, effective at the end of your billing period. Keep in mind that if you change your mind, you can often reactivate your subscription before the billing cycle ends. Within the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscription or Billing tab. This tab will display all the details of your active subscription, including the type of plan you're on, monthly or yearly, your payment history, and your next renewal date. Take a moment to review this information to ensure that you understand when your current billing cycle ends. Canceling your subscription does not immediately revoke access. Instead, it stops future payments while allowing you to use the service until the end of the current billing period. After completing the cancellation process, Musicbed will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. This email serves as proof that your subscription has been successfully canceled. Be sure to check your inbox or spam folder for this message. If you don't receive a confirmation email, return to your account settings to ensure the cancellation was processed. It's also a good idea to take a screenshot of the cancellation confirmation for your records. If you've created playlists or saved specific tracks, make sure to download anything you might need before your subscription officially ends. Once your subscription is inactive, you will lose access to Musicbed's library and the licensing rights associated with the platform. This is especially important if you're working on projects that require music you've saved but haven't yet downloaded. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.